how to book clients on your website with WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can book your clients on your website. So let's get started. Now, you might be running a small business where you book clients on daily basis. And now you want to add that feature to your website as well, where people will be able to book their appointments through your official website. That's super easy to do, and that's what I will show you today, that how to create a professional website with a booking feature where you will be able to book your clients. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply go to your WordPress website dashboard. You will simply create your own website or a website that you already have. Now, we're going to add a booking feature to our website. It will have a page where people will be able to book their appointments. It's super easy to do. Simply scroll down to plugins. In plugins, go to add new. Today, I will show you how to add a plugin that will allow you to book clients on your website. So in add plugins, what you have to do is search for Wix Bookings. We have this plugin right here. Wix Booking, Hotel Booking Engine and PMS, famous booking engine. And it has more than 3,000 active installation, and it is also compatible with my WordPress version. Now what I will do is simply click on install and then click on activate, and it will be activated on my WordPress dashboard. So once you have done that, then you will be able to find Wix Bookings right here. Let's open up our plugin and let's set up our booking page. So this is our Wix Booking dashboard, and this is where we will simply go ahead and create our own booking website, and we will add a page where we will be able to book clients. So let's start. Now you will find these options right here. So the first option is right here. We have payment methods, custom fields, translations, and configurations. Then this option is tax rates, types of price, coupons, packages and offers. Then we have categories, characteristics, extras, and room list. Here you will find rates table, special prices, restrictions, and rates overview. Then right here we have dashboard, calendar, availability, and all bookings, customers, invoices, graphs and stats, statistic tracking, schedule, cron jobs, and then we have operators, reports, and e-invoicing. So you can find all of these different options right here that will help you create an amazing professional page of your own. So I will actually show you around some of the main features, and then you can simply go ahead and check out the plugin and create a professional page of your own. Let's go ahead and create a room list. So in here we have the room list option. I can go ahead and create a new room, edit view rates, rooms calendar, and delete a room. So let's create a new room here. New room means adding a new room where you will be able to add all of these different options and different facilities that are available, and people will be able to check out that this is the room that is available in this hotel or restaurant. So let's go ahead and check this out. Now add the room name. Let's go ahead and add the name of our room. Let's say our room is 104. Then we have room published or available. This one is available. Then we have room units. I will simply go ahead and select different room units. Let's keep it to 1. Then we have adults, the minimum adults that can actually go ahead and stay in the room. So we can go with 2. The minimum person that can stay is going to be 1, and the maximum that can stay in a room is going to be 2. Then we have adult charges and discount for adults and senior citizens. Then we have children. The minimum children that can stay in the room is going to be 0, and the maximum is going to be 2. Then we have total people, 4, and then we have total minimum people that can stay in a room is going to be 1. We have categories and characteristics and different options. For example, the room facilities. We have Wi-Fi, TV, air conditioning, disabled facilities, bathroom, minibar, and pets are not allowed. Then we have room parameters. Show how many units are still available when less than 1. So let's say go ahead that there are 1 or maybe 0 available. Then we have occupancy, custom starting from price. Then we have custom price label, custom price subtext, enable request information. Then we have adults and children. Then we have availability and other options as well. Here we can simply go ahead and add an image of the room. Of course, you will add images from your hotel and your rooms. Then what you have to do is simply go ahead and add the description here. You can also add the calendar option in here. Then we have geographic information that will allow us to enable the geocoding. Then we have different settings such as custom page title, keywords meta tag, and description meta tag. So once you have added all of these information right here, all you have to do is click on save and your room will be saved. This way, you can simply go ahead and create a list of your rooms that are available. Similarly, you can also import a list that you already have created. That makes it super simple for you to go ahead and create a list. Then we have this option right here where you can go with special prices and restrictions. In here, we have dashboard and calendar and then availability overview. So let's go to availability overview and let me show you how you can show the availability of your rooms. So this is a calendar view that we have, and this is where you will find your room list. So I have 2 rooms right here. Orange is partially available and green will show you check in. You can also go with drag and drop. So this makes it really easy for us to check that which room is available and which is not. To make a new reservation, simply click right here and this will open up this pop-up window. In here, I will be able to make a new reservation to any of my rooms. So this is for room number 104. This is a quick reservation option. Now check-in date. I will simply add the check-in date for my client. Let's go ahead and add their check-in date. They want to check in on 7th and then they will leave 9th. Okay. They're staying for 2 nights. Then we have closed room in these dates. Then we have guest. So the guests are going to be 2 adults. Method of payment. So this is where I will add their payments. Then we have assign customer. If I want to assign customer, and I will add all of their information in here. Their name, last name, email, address, city, company name, country, and zip code. You can also search by PIN or name. So I will simply go ahead and add their name in here. So you will simply add all the information and click on apply. Now you will see this is the information of my client. Then we have custom rates. So the rate is $30 per night. And then we have tax rate as well. Now click on save booking. And there you go. You have just made a reservation on your website. And this is how they will also be able to check it out. Now, if I want to view the details, I can simply go ahead and do that. So in here now, we have a reservation. This is how simple it is to make a reservation through Quick Bookings. Now you can see that 104 is booked for 7th and 8th. This is the reservation that I just made, and I will be able to notify my client as well. They will get the notification on their listed email. After that, I can simply go ahead and check the invoices, different customers, and I can also check the statistic tracking. In here, I will be able to check the reports for my booking website. Then we have categories where I can create different categories for different bookings. Then we have tax rates, types of prices, and coupons can be added right here. If you have any packages and offers, you can go ahead and add them in here and clients will be able to check them out on your website. Then we have payment methods where you can simply go ahead and add different payment methods to your booking website. Adding a payment method is also really easy. Then we have custom fields and configuration. Once you know how to use Quick Booking, then it will be super easy for you to book clients on your website. And you will be able to book clients very professionally for your business online. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. And now you know how to book clients on your WordPress website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.